Alrighty, we are at the 63. This tire not holding air. It's leaking around the bead. So I pumped it up to, I think they're supposed to go up to 95. I went up to about 90 and probably not setting the bead. It's been flat for a while. There's probably dirt and rust in there keeping it from sealing. So this truck sat for about 4 years. Came up from California. This is one of the new tires. There's two new tires on it. This one and the outer on the other dual. It's holding air. This one is not. So we're just going to pop it off, run it up to Schwab. I'm going to go price 4 other new tires. They're not bad. They're just kind of old. The fronts are weather checked on the outside. But I think what we'll do is we'll just price them, see what they want. That'll give me an idea what to plan for in the future here. Oh, which one are we using? That one? This 4-way came with the truck, so I'm grateful for that. 7/8 inch nuts on this thing. It's got a full floater, 14 bolt. I don't think it's original to the truck. I don't think 14s came out until 73, I believe. But we got them loose. I'm going to go get the jack and the jack stand, get this thing up in the air, pull his wheel. Okay. Come on now. There we are. This is an 8R17.5 double coin, all steel radial regroovable RT500. Date code on this, I believe, was 25th week of 2011. So it's got lots of tread left, and that's a new tire. So plan right now, if we do tires, may just let it ride for a little bit, but they're a little weather checked too, but they're not bad. Plan right now is throw this and the other good one on the front, get the two older ones on the back, and then sometime down the road we'll swap out everything for new rubber in the rears. So right on. Throw a few lug nuts on just to hold the wheel. I couldn't get the jack underneath there, or the jack stand, so we will throw a couple of nuts on. And it's a warm one already. As you can see, I'm wearing the shorts. Sorry for blinding you. Just enough to hold it. It looks so goofy like that. Alrighty, let's get this thing up to the tire. We're going to take the truck via the pickup. Not this thing. This thing ain't roadworthy yet. So the bead was leaking and the valve stem was leaking. Resealed the bead. Just painted the whole wheel. Black paint poking through there. Repainted the whole rim surface, cleaned all the rust off, and sealed her up for me. Seems to be holding air. So it's probably a good sign this is an original wheel. Also had them price me out 4 new tires this size. Guess how much? Guess how much? For 4. $2,000. That's mounted and balanced and everything. I can buy these exact tires online for $153 a piece. They wanted $419 a piece at Schwab. So down the road, one of these days I'll get froggy and move these up to the front and put those other are they Michelins? Yeah, Bridgestones. We'll have all 4 Bridgestones on the back. That's why we leave off. torque wrench out and we gotta figure out what we're gonna torque these things to. 50? I don't know. We'll go and research it real quick. I'll be back. Alrighty, just checked online. About 110 to 140 is what they're showing. That's for the 80s model, but they shouldn't be any difference. That's for the 9/16 studs, I think it was. Not the big 5/8 for the heavy duty stuff, but those are up to 180 inch-pounds, so we'll run them at 120, 130. Keep an eye on them. Go out and get the torque wrench and have at her. Oh boy, I forgot to mention that tire repair I did. It was $17 and some change. Wasn't bad at all. So for them to bust the wheel off and the tire off, and paint the inside of the wheel, scrape the rust off, bead seal the whole thing, put it all back up, and it's holding at 95 psi, which is what the tire recommends. So I went around and got all the others in the back up. They were all sitting right around 60 to 70, so they're all sitting at 95, which I don't need because I'm not loading this thing down. This truck's got a 10,000 pound weight rating on it, gross weight rating. So, oh, it's licensed for 8, but a little tag on the inside by the front door says 10,000. So she's the heavy duty, light duty truck. Yes, your 1-tons are still light duties, but it says heavy duty when I bought my new Silverado. Yeah, heavy duty, light duty truck. Your heavy duties are your, well, medium duties are 4500s and whatnot, and heavy duties are your big straight trucks, and moving on up to the semis and whatnot. So anyway, enough debating about trucks. Let's go out and torque some nuts. Yeah, they're a little snug. We'll run with that though.